There may be crash of F121 on flight. The crash may damage the motors. Please replace the damaged motor at this time. I would recommend to buy the original motors of F121, which is available on RadioLink official store on AliExpress, and check the color of the wires of the motor. Then buy the motor with the same wires. For example, this motor is damaged. The wires of the motor are red and blue, so we need to buy the motor with a red and blue wire in the store. How to replace the motor of F121? We need a screwdriver. Remove the propeller. Loosen the tape which is used to fix wires. Unplug the connector of the motor. Use a screwdriver to loosen the propeller guard. Remove the guard. Push the motor up slightly, and then pull the motor out. Pass the wires of the new motor through the hole. Press in the motor. Fix the wires with the tape. Plug in the connector of the motor. Put the wires under the arm. Install the propeller guard. Tighten the screw. Insert the propeller. The motor replacement of F121 is done.